In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add a cleaning fee on your Airbnb listing. It's really easy and simple to do, guys. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. But before I show you like the video, subscribe to Daily Solutions YouTube channel, and consider making a small donation using the thanks button below if this video helps you out. If you can figure this out yourself, just shoot me a DM via the link in the description and I'll do it for you. With that in mind, let's get right into it. So first thing first, you want to go to airbnb.com /hosting, and then you're going to go to hosting page. Here you want to just click on menu and then listing. Here you're going to see all of your properties listed in this page. You want to choose the listing that you want to change the price of, and then click on edit button right in the in the middle bottom section of the screen. And here fees and charges, click on that. And at the top, you're going to see this option that says cleaning fee. Fees and charges are added to the total price for guests. You might want to adjust the nightly price to reflect your changes. Here, by the way, this fee will apply to every reservation. Just keep that in mind. So I want to add 1,000 Turkish liras as a cleaning fee. So I click on save and then click on done. And that is it, guys. This is how we add a cleaning fee on your listing, guys. Like the video, subscribe to Daily Solutions YouTube channel, and consider making a small donation using the thanks button below if this video help you out.